Structured Cakes Mastery course is so different from anything that you've ever taken before. I just know you're going to love it. So we've all been to these classes where you're learning structured cakes, and when you get there, everything's done for you. So all of your hardware is bent already, it's put together, and you're just there to put cake on it and play. Okay, so how do you get from your inspiration? You pick a picture off of Google, but you need to get to this point. If there's nobody there to build that structure for you, you're left floundering and you don't even know how to get from this to this. So here in the Mastery course, we start from the very beginning. So you're given a bunch of hardware, so we have wood and doweling. And then we're actually going to get some hands-on tools in here so that we're cutting our own centers. So you're cutting your own center boards, building that foundation that you're going to build your cake on. We don't just go from here to here, there's all the little steps in between. So we have our inspiration pictures, then we're going to do some sketching and just kind of map things out so that you know what it's going to look like as you get going with it. All of these sketches. From those sketches, you'll build yourself a template within which we're going to work on that internal structure. Little hand tools, once we get all of our boards cut, you're going to actually start bending your threaded rod within your templates so that you know what your end structure is going to look like and putting it together. So there's a little bit of math in there, there's some just basic knowledge, things that you can duplicate when you go home. After you've finished taking this course, you will be able to recreate anything from any inspiration, not just what you do while you're here. You'll be able to take that knowledge and further it into any structure you want. You'll be able to scale them up, scale them down. It's a really good foundation. Not your average mastery course. So I'm looking forward to seeing you here at Lambert Academy for the Structured Cakes Mastery course.